Hi everyone, I'm Error Slayer and today I'm going to show you how to convert a Microsoft Word file to PDF without downloading any programs. I'll show you two different methods. If you're ready, let's begin. As a first step, open the DOCX file that you want to convert to a PDF file. Then click the File tab in the upper left corner. Click Save As button. Click Browse. Choose where you want to save, and click here. Choose PDF. Then click the Save button. As you can see, our DOCX file has been converted to a PDF file. Now I will show you the second method. Open the DOCX file again. Click the File tab. Click Print. If there is a setting you want to change it here, and then click Print. Enter a name for your file and click the Save button. I hope this tutorial video on how to convert a DOCX file to a PDF file was helpful. Please subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.